Today I'm going to show you how to use powder paper with your woodwind instrument. I'm a band director and a flute specialist, and this is something that I use on all of my woodwind instruments from time to time. And if you are a woodwind player, you're going to want to have either some powder paper or some regular non-powdered cleaning paper on hand just in case. Inside, you have this. Had this for a long time, and at one point it actually got sliced up into individual pieces, but it doesn't change the function of it. So I'm going to pull out one of these sheets so that you can see what it's like. This is the powder paper. And the side that would have the powder on it is the side where you can't see the print as clearly. So what you would do is if you had a key that was sticking, let's say that my E flat key was sticking. So I'm gonna just push that E flat key right open. I'm gonna put the plain side toward the pad. You can see there is a pad right in there. Plain side towards the pad, and then I'm gonna release that. And if this was just an open key, I would then press it. I'm gonna give it just a little gentle press. And then I'm going to lift it up and change the position of the pad a little bit because theoretically it's absorbing moisture that's gotten in there. Give it another little gentle press. What you don't want to do is you don't want to drag across the pad because pads are super fragile. So then the idea is that any kind of sticking that you might have been hearing, it will hopefully be gone. This will have absorbed any moisture that might have been sitting on the pad, and the powder will help to keep it from making that sticking and popping noise in the future.